Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P-Smart 2021 NFC, and today I'll show you how you can change notification bar icons. So at the first you have to open notification bar. Next you have to tap right here. And if you want to change the position of these icons, for example, you would like to get the location on the upper section of the screen, to just click hold and then drag this icon right here. Let's make it one more time. If you want to remove one of these icons, for example the scan, click hold and then put it here. And of course the same if you want to add here the additional icons, for example the wireless protection, click hold, then put it here. And as you can see, it's very simple. After that we can just simply click done, and as you can see it was changed. And if you want to reset them to the defaults, click here, confirm, tap done. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.